What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be making a landing page from scratch using pre-built sections, and we're going to be making it for a fictitious SaaS company that uses GoHighLevel that services home service companies. Yeah, so let's get into it. So these pre-built sections are pretty nice. I really like the design of it. A YouTuber named Gustin created these in a collaboration with GoHighLevel, and in my opinion, he did an amazing job. These are awesome, and right off the bat, we have this little diagram here that I like to follow. So this was heavily inspired by some Twitter designers. And if you're not following me on Twitter, go ahead and hit me up, Jonny_ape. So here we have our nice template here that we should follow. So we have our hero, right, with their call to actions or navigation bar here, partners to build some social proof, features, benefits, all that good stuff, how it works, testimonials, another call to action, FAQs, and then maybe another call to action. I've been known to add more call to actions than, a lot of designers would suggest. So I'm so sorry. Please don't kill me. And let's get into it. So what we're going to do right now is this template that I just showed you guys, I dropped it in here into this GPT. This GPT, guys, this is an extra in this video, is made by Jake Smith. What he did is he compiled all of the GoHighLevel support docs and created a GPT with them. This is actually something that I was working on prior. I reached out to him and told him, hey, bro, what the heck? I'm just kidding. But yeah, so he made this, and it's actually really good. Again, this is something that I was trying to make myself because it would be, something that's very helpful, and maybe I can do an in-depth video for the future. But for now, we're going to use it to help us create the copy for this website. Okay, so we have this prompt here that I already made. So I have an agency that uses a white labeled version of GoHighLevel in the home service niche. Use your GoHighLevel knowledge to generate copy for me using the structure and the image attached. Fill in the information for me, appealing to my target demographic, a home service company owner. We help automate, grow, and systematize. So we will let that cook there. All right, so while that finishes up, let's go back in here and let's go ahead and create our hero. And right, this is what our hero looks like on our nice little template here, our nice little model. So what we'll do is we'll go to our welcome, which really should be called hero, but hey, let's see here. I like this one. So I can use this one. And then these sections, I have a feeling that they were made for funnels specifically, not websites. So what we're going to have to do is delete this section up here because this is not a navigation bar, and we're going to have to make our own from scratch, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. We will grab a full width section, drop it here. We'll grab a 2-column row, drop it here, add an element here. It's going to be a button. Here's our call to action there. And then we will grab a navigation menu and drop that here. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit more even here. We will delete this. And let's go ahead and spread out the spacing between these links here. And I think that looks pretty good. Awesome. So let's go ahead in here. I want to make this all white. So what we can do, you know what? We're not done with the navigation bar. Let's go ahead and remove the padding from here. 0 here, and then we'll do 0 here. And there we go. That looks pretty good, nice and skinny. No hate to my thick viewers out there. I love you guys all. So let's go ahead and change my font colors here to a black, since we're going to be making this background black for myself here. And perfect. All right, so now we change the color here and white. All right, so far we are done with our navigation and homepage. Who knows how long that took, but I would say that's pretty fast compared to a lot of builders. So what we have next is our partner section. So let's go in here and add our partner section, and here we have the partner section over here. Blam. There we go, as seen on. And what do we got next here? So we have the how it works, features and benefits section. So I have these four blocks here with our features and benefits. And I'm not sure if we have features and benefits within the pre-built sections. It doesn't look like it, but the cool part about these is that, again, you can repurpose them and make them, something that it isn't initially. But for now, I think I like, let's go, I like this one here. So let's grab this one here and let's move it down. Perfect. All right. So here we have our section here that we're going to use and repurpose as a features and benefits section. Now, you can tell the padding here is a little atrocious. We have a respectable gap here between the edge and an element here. However, we don't have the same at the bottom. So what we're going to do is add a little bit here. So I'd say 40 is pretty good here, and we'll do another 40 here, and we'll do another 40 here, and we'll do another 40 over here. Perfect. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. And let me see here. So what we'll do is we'll grab this. So we have our how it features and benefits, right? Features and benefits are 4 squares here. And what is next, right, guys? We're just building out the base kind of like layout of it, and then we're going to go in and make the changes here. So let's just kind of get our base here. So now we have our how it works steps. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go into our let me see here. Where do we have a 1, 2, 3 type of? Let me see here. I think I like. Oh, nice. Perfect. Super simple 3-step process. Perfect. There we go. So we have that. Now we have our testimonials, which we'll use actual testimonials, right? Right here. So let's go ahead and grab our testimonials. And I did like these here. I think these are my favorite testimonial layout here. And then what else do we got? We have our FAQs and then our footer. Yep. FAQs and then the footer. So what I'm going to do is actually add a call to action. Where is it? Call to action. And we'll put this here. And then we have our FAQ section. We will put this here. Not put this here. Put that there. And then we'll grab our footer. And guys, what I like to do is this one here. So this one at the very bottom, and then we'll grab a portion of this one, and then we'll go ahead and delete this section here. And I think that looks pretty good for a footer. What we'll do is make this a little bit better here. Maybe 10 padding would be fine here. 10 would be fine here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this here and make this like that. Boom. Let's go ahead and turn this into the color that we have up above, which isn't a standard color. It's pretty hilarious. We'll just keep it black. All right, perfect. So there we have it. There we have the template here, the basic setup of the template, set up and ready to go. And it was that easy. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make it look nice and pretty. We're going to add our copy to it. And I have, I did mock up like a business name and, some other elements here that we're going to add to it and make it look really nice and beautiful. So let's go ahead and see what we got cooked up here. First, what we're going to do is grab my 2 favorite fonts in the world. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. Awesome. Awesome. Maybe I will add a little bit more padding to this just to make it look a little bit better. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty good. Nice. Cool. Gotta hit save. Forgot to hit save. Always forget to save. And sometimes I lose all my work. So now what we're going to do is jump over to our GPT. And here's our hero. Bold it up so that it turns into the color we want it to be. And we're actually going to drop the size here. Let's go ahead and try like a nice little 55 would be a good one right there. Let's go ahead and delete this. And let's grab our subheader here. Boom. Looking pretty good there. And get started today is our call to action there. Let's go ahead and change this up too. And this button looks a little funny. So if we pull this back a little bit, it kind of looks a little bit better there. But our font is pretty big here. I think a nice 16 would do well here. And then we kind of get rid of some of that excess padding here. So let's go ahead and do like 15, and do that. Boom. All right. Looking good. All right, let's work on the navigation bar. Let's go ahead and finish up the navigation bar. I typically, when it comes to all these buttons, I like to match the font, the color, the radius, the size, all that good stuff. So we'll get to that in a second. And for now, here is the fictitious logo that I made for this company. And we will do like a 300. Yeah, cool. That's good. Field Boost Pro. Automate your home service business, grow faster. Nice. Now for our hero element, I made this here. Looks pretty good. Let me add some rounded corners to it to make it look a little fresher. Cool. Nice. Looks really good. I want to at least match the padding here. I know I'm not going to, it's just driving me crazy. 15, 15, 15. All right. So we got 15, 15, 15, and 15. Cool. And what radius do we have here? We have 15. Actually, like 10. So, all right. Let's just move on and see what our GPT has to give us for this partner section here, trusted by leading home service companies. Boom. Then we would have like Angie's List or home service related companies here. So let's go ahead and go into the features and benefits section. So we have the automated appointment scheduling. Automated appointment scheduling here. Lead nurture and follow-ups. Pretty good stuff so far. Good job, Mr. GPT. We'll make this bold and we'll grab this one here. I highly recommend this. Bold here. And here's our last one. Bold this up. Get rid of the space. Grab our text. Here. Grab this here. Grab this here. And one more. Let's grab this one. Boom. All right. So automated appointment scheduling. So let me see what others are saying. Let's go ahead and You didn't give me a title for the features. For the features and benefits section. Come on, baby, give me something good. Give me something good, baby. You didn't have to do the whole thing. Oh, here we go. Ooh, that's a good one, actually. Nice. Glad I asked. Okay, this one. Obviously, we can tell that our text is a little bit bigger. We have to, take hierarchy into consideration here. So what we have is 55 here. So what I like to do is maybe we will do like 45 here. Boom. I think that looks a lot better. All right. Cool. I think this looks awesome so far. Let's go ahead and add our assets here. So for the automated appointment scheduling, we have this one here. Let's go ahead and add a circle radius to it. And maybe we can make this a little bit bigger. Let's go in here and do like 65. Yeah, that looks awesome. Lead nurturing and follow-ups. Let's see what would fall under this one here. Maybe this one. And we'll do the circle radius on this one as well. And what was the size? 65. 65 here. And I think the marketing automation one would have looked a lot better here, but hey, whatever. You know what? I am going to do that. Let's go ahead and do this, 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 do this. Keep our size there. 65 here. And then for custom reporting and dashboards, we'll just go ahead and grab this one. I just got like 4 random ones that I think would be, relevant to the different features that, the GPT would have spat out, but it didn't do it the way that I thought it would. So we're just going to go ahead and stick with these, which is fine. So we can just have automated, just to, fit the theme here. Automated review process. Something like that. Now we will go ahead and up the size here, and boom, what do we think? Looking pretty fly. Get instant access. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is proper, and 15, 15, 15. And our radius was what, 10? 10 there. Cool. Nice. Coming along pretty good. Pretty good. So these sections here, I'm not sure if I like the contrast. I think that these definitely should have some type of fill. I don't know what color this is. Let's see if it's in here, down here. Let me grab this, the color here, and it's right here. Okay, cool. So we have it. We have the color here. Let's go ahead and fill these. It looks atrocious right now, but give me just 1 second. I'm going to make this look really good. Let's go ahead and go into the bold. Make this white. White and white. More white. Oops. White here, and white here. Nice. Okay, so what we'll do is I added some assets in here. So we'll do number 1, number 2, and don't have to change the sizing for these. That's really nice. And number 3. All right, there's our 3-step process there. And scroll back up here. What is our 3-step process? Step 1, connect your oops. Step 1, and then we got our step 2. And then we have our step 3 here. Bam. All right. Step 1, connect your existing systems, Google Calendar, website, forms, etc. with our all-in-one platform. Step 2, automate your scheduling, lead management, and marketing workflows. Step 3, watch your business grow with minimal effort as our business keeps your operations running smoothly. Very nice. Great success. Ready to get started? Ooh, nice. Let's go ahead and make this black here and grab our this one 15. It would be nice. I work at a framer, and you can create variants of a button and then use that same button in different places and create different variants of it. And you don't have to, keep creating or keep making changes to the same button over and over again. So maybe that could be something we have in the future. That would be nice. Testimonials here. So we have, this is called our testimonials. This is kind of boring. Don't take our word for it. So what we'll do is, what is our size here? 56. 56. 56 here. 45 here. Oh yeah. So let's change this to 45. Cool. And then we'll change this to 45 as well. 45 here. And let me just make this button look a little bit better, huh? Sheesh. Maybe I shouldn't have a bunch of call to actions when it comes to high-level websites, huh? 15, 15, 15, 15. There we go. And my radius needs to be a 10. There we go. All right. The contrast here with the blue against the dark blue is not the greatest, but we will take it. All right. So let's go ahead and copy these here and boom. What was his name? Mike S., HVAC company owner. Love it. Put this here, bold this up, make that look nice there. Next fake testimonials right here. Delete this, go in here, grab this here. Sarah J., thank you for your testimonial. Very much appreciated. And who's next? Dave L. I have a friend named Dave L. Very cool guy. Let's go ahead and bold this up. All right. So right away, you can see that this image is pushed up because of the text that we have here. So, what you could do is, maybe delete this and, make it look even for the most part. So here we have that. We're pretty much done here. I think this looks awesome. And then we have our button here that is not the same way that I have all my other buttons here. It's funny, a lot of this video is just me doing all this button stuff. But hey, it is good practice. And it is get started today. There we go. All right. So our call to action, what should I call to action be? book a free demo. Hold this up, make our 45 here. Did this not take? Ready to give us a try? Take your home service company to the next level with our all-in-one sales and marketing solution. Automate, grow, and systematize your, I knew I'd spell that wrong. Systematize your business today. Boom! Nice! Looking good. All right, our FAQ section. Okay, question number 1 is going to be, let's go ahead and delete number 4. Open this up, drop this here, open this up, drop this here. Number 2. Number 3. Bam! This freaking button, man. Let's make this padding very nice. And even here, 15, 15, 15. Nice. 10. The font size on these I don't think is very accurate on these buttons, but hey, whatever. We can't be too picky. I'm already being picky enough. Okay, now we go here and grab our logo and grab this here. Field Boost Pro. I think that's an awesome name. Feel free to steal that. Field Boost Pro. And there we have it. All right. Are we done? Are we really done? Are we seriously done? Was it really that easy? Let's go ahead and look at the mobile version. To get started today, let's make this button fluid here so it looks less annoying. Let's go ahead and actually add some, let's make this sticky stick on top, scroll here, and then we'll constantly make this do a rocking. Yeah, that's not that annoying, but you know, it'll get your attention, definitely. Now we can grab these sections here, and unfortunately we don't have the animated options here. For this one, for example, we have this here, this down. I think it'll look good coming from, oh damn, that thing did a kickflip. All right. Ooh, I like that one. All right, cool. Now we will grab this one and have it, let's have it slide in from the left. Yeah. Yeah. Slide in from the left. Slide in from the left. Slide in from the left. Nice. All right. Now this one will slide in from the left. Oh, no, wait. I was going to make it to where, you know what I was going for. But yeah, so on some of these, you have to add CSS, and I won't bore you guys with doing that. But for now, I think that we have an awesome website here. Let me hit save, and let me click on the mobile version, see if we have to make any changes here to the mobile version. Let's see here. So this should be, I want to put this in the middle. Why is it not in the middle here? What if I add some padding to the left? Let's do 26. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here we go. There's this. This button's a little bit big, but hey, whatever. This could be a lot bigger. Let's do 16 here. Boom. All right, looks good. Automated scheduling. Nice. Looks pretty good, actually. Super simple 3-step process. What if I made this the blue? Yeah, that would look a lot better. Let's go ahead and grab this. The blue. Yeah, let's go. That looks a lot better. Ready to get started. Let's add an animation to this button here. Let's stick with the rocking one. If you have different buttons that are, always doing different things, I think it looks a little corny. I'm not a big fan of button animations to begin with. I like animations when you hover over them, but the hover animation here are just, bounce up or wobble, which is, kind of boring to me, but hey. Okay, cool. Get started today. Let's go ahead and add our rocking here, and looks good here. This looks amazing. And let's go ahead and add that padding here. I think we added let's go ahead and add that much padding there. Cool. Looks really good. Scroll up here, and padding looks good everywhere else so far. Let's go ahead and click save here and preview the actual version here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so what I've noticed is when you have a website that you have kind of hosted here that you preview, it's kind of slow. So let me refresh that, see what it looks like now. Okay, that's a little bit better. So it does, improve, does get a little bit better. Nice. All right, so we have our header, which is, so you see how it's transparent here? So let's go ahead and fix that. What we do is we go up to the top here. We make this a solid color here. Save that. And now we come back here and hit refresh. Let's go ahead and see if that's fixed. It is. Cool. So we have our call to action bothering you right up there. And I think our navigation bar might be a little skinny, but hey, I'm just going to go ahead and ignore that. So here we have the different animations here that are lagging. This one is lagging. These are doing well, but this one's lagging for some reason. Don't take our word for it. Call to action. We have our FAQ here. And there it is. There we have it. All right, guys. So if you guys want this website, I'm going to put it in a snapshot and drop it in my Discord. The people that joined the Discord from the last video, they got that snapshot for free. They now have OG roles in the Discord. So congrats to them. And yeah, so the Discord is free for you guys, of course. I just wanted to reward, people that supported me early on. So I'm going to be dropping this in the Discord, and I'm also going to be dropping this in the Discord as just kind of a reference point. So if you like the video, feel free to hit like and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks. Bye.